I want everyone to know that the giveaway is over. We have picked the names. What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and I am going to announce the winners for the YETI giveaway. If you're seeing this video and you're one of the winners and you didn't respond to my email, do it, because I need your address to send it to you in the mail. We're giving away this red YETI 20-ounce Rambler tumbler, and we're also giving away this YETI 18-ounce Rambler. It's the bottle with the screw top. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys know who the winners are. I'm only going to be using first names just because this is going on YouTube, so obviously I don't need to be giving everyone's information out. And these are the winners. So the winner for the red mug is actually going to be Kevin. And Kevin already got back to me, so this thing is going to be in the mail probably today or tomorrow. And I'm excited to give this thing away because we're a big fan of YETI mugs, and we're giving that one away. Sweet. All right, the second winner of the blue YETI Rambler, the bottle, this is going to be Nelson. Nelson, if you're a Patreon supporter and you have not checked your email, please do it. Because I need to hear back from you to confirm your shipping address so I can send you this bad boy so you can start keeping your stuff cold today. Sick. All right, so the big news, the big winner of the YETI Tundra 65 cooler is Derek from New York. Derek already emailed me back. His cooler is actually going to be in the mail shortly. I hope you guys all enjoyed supporting us on Patreon. We appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys help us get to do what we do. So thank you so much for supporting us on Patreon, for supporting Srkcycles, for watching all of our videos, and for doing all that you do. Don't forget about the giveaway for the bike that we're doing. There's only 3 things you got to do for that. You got to sign up for the email list, subscribe to Srkcycles YouTube channel, and subscribe to Bikes and Beards YouTube channel. That is next big giveaway. All right, guys, thank you so much for supporting us on Patreon, and thank you so much for watching our videos.